Hey guys, in this video I will tell you what is the income source of Taliban or how Taliban earns money. So please make sure to watch this video till the end. Currently, Afghanistan is captured by Taliban again after 20 years. People in Afghanistan are concerned about their life and property. In such situation, the number of migrants is increasing rapidly. Large number of migrants have already gathered around Kabul airport, making it look like a bus station. With the withdrawal of the American army, which had been in Afghanistan for 20 years, the Taliban took control of the entire country in just 20 days. So let's talk about how Taliban makes money. Opium is the biggest source of income for Taliban. Opium is cultivated on large scale in Afghanistan. Here 80% of the world's opium is produced and this cultivation is completely controlled by Taliban. This sale of opium and smuggling brings a lot of money to the Taliban. According to United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, opium production has reached to its highest level in the last 4 years. As per the reports published in May 2021, despite the corona epidemic last year, opium production has increased by 37%. 9,900 tons of opium was produced in 2017. According to UNDOC, the production of opium in 2017 stood at 9,900 tons. Farmers made around 10,000 crore rupees from its sale. This was 7% of the Afghanistan GDP. According to the report, the economy of this illegal opium stood at around 49,000 crore. This includes local consumption, export for medicines and others. Not only this, Taliban also made money from tax collection. Taliban used to collect tax from opium traders. Along with this, it also collected tax from businessmen associated with it. According to United Nations report, the Taliban earned around 3,000 crores from the drug trade between 2018 to 19. According to a US official, 60% of the Taliban's income comes from illicit drugs. The annual turnover of Taliban is around 3,000 crores. As Taliban do not publish any details of their account, it is difficult to ascertain its exact earnings and assets. In 2016, Forbes estimated Taliban's annual turnover at Rs 2,968 crore. Due to Taliban's control over the country, people are leaving Afghanistan fast. Amidst the rapidly changing environment in Afghanistan, major countries around the world are evacuating their citizens from here. This includes other countries including America and India. India's Ministry of External Affairs has also issued helpline number and email to help Indians in Afghanistan. Alright, that was all. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, please make sure to like this video, and if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe because I will be bringing more such informative videos. Thank you so much for watching.